how to make this blade. So this is actually very easy. So prepare 2 different colored fondant, then take out little small piece, then rolling and like a spaghetti, like this. Okay, then this one, different color, and it's same thing like that. Okay, then so now carefully attach together by your finger. Then so it's not glue it, but you can just attach together. Then twist, twist, twist. Okay, like this. If you like more tight, you can more like a twist this way. Okay, so this way. Then other one, same thing. Roll out, roll out. Okay, same thing, but this time this way, this way. So it was this, but other side. So you can twist other way. Okay, so something like that. Okay, then now you can combine together. That's it. Then just a little bit of pinch, or you can cut, or maybe this part, because blade coming from here, so you can cut a little bit like this angle, edge like this. Okay, then so here's a model. So I did this way, so I have to attach this way. Oh, that means this one actually this. So I needed to, oh no, sorry. I'm gonna use this one because it's matching. So here, cut off this one and attach a little bit of water the back side. Not too much. Then so here, so you can just attach and then connect to the edge, and make sure that other strand and then connect together. So can you a little bit lift up? Okay. Then this one, I'm gonna a little bit pinch. Just a little bit fix this connection. Okay, then after this you can attach a little bit of flower and then hide this part. All right. Another simple blade. So roll out kind of like a sausage shape. Then make deep mark. Okay, then after this, use this one. That's it. Very simple.